In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Shopify store. Quick and easy. Let's get started by opening your Shopify admin. Once you're signed in, look to the left sidebar and head to Online Store. This is where your storefront design lives, and it's the quickest way to give your store a clean slate without touching your products, customers, or orders. Think of this as resetting the look and feel, not the business data. Inside Online Store, you'll land on the Themes area. Here you'll see your current live theme at the top, and below that, your theme library with any additional themes you've installed or tested. The reset we're doing focuses on clearing out those extra themes so you can start fresh. Find a theme in your theme library and open its Actions menu. Depending on your view, this might look like an Actions button or a three-dot icon next to the theme. From that menu, choose Remove. Shopify will ask you to confirm because removing a theme is permanent. Click Remove again to confirm. That second confirmation is there to prevent accidental deletions, so take a moment to be sure you don't need that theme's settings or custom code anymore. After the first theme is removed, repeat the same process for the remaining themes in your library. Open the Actions menu for the next theme, select, remove, and then confirm by clicking. Remove one more time. You'll notice that your library will begin to clear out, making it easier to see exactly what you're working with. Continue this cycle, open the Actions menu, select Remove, then Confirm, until you've removed each theme you no longer want to keep. If you see another Actions menu option highlighted, that's your cue to select it. Then proceed with Remove and confirm the prompt. The duplicate remove steps you're seeing are simply the action and the confirmation, and both are required to complete the deletion. A quick note here. Typically, you can only remove themes that aren't currently published as your live theme. If you still see a theme at the top marked as live, focus on clearing out everything in the theme library first. That alone gives you a near blank canvas and speeds up future setup because you're not sifting through outdated themes. Once you've finished removing the extra themes and confirmed each prompt, your Shopify storefront is effectively reset on the design side. You're now ready to choose a fresh theme and build forward with a clean, clutter-free foundation. That's it. Simple, fast, and focused on